Welcome to our Kitchentale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magbe-bake ng bread pudding. Ito po yung mga ingredients. 10 pieces sliced bread. We need 1 can of condensed milk. Then 200 grams of butter, melted butter. Then we need a cup of water, 2 pieces of whole eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla. Then lastly po, a half cup of chocolate chips. Yun po, umpisahan na po natin. Pagpira-pirasuhin lamang po natin yung sliced bread. It's a simple recipe lang po na pwede nating ihanda this coming Christmas. After pong pira-pirasuhin, maglalagay po tayo ngayon ng butter. Then, isunod po natin yung condensed milk. Then, yung water po, i-rinse natin dun sa can of condensed milk. So, it's optional po. It's either more than a cup or pwede na po yung cup of water only. Then, i-add na po natin yung water sa ating mixture. Then, i-mix po muna natin ng maigi. Ngayon po, pwede na natin i-add yung eggs and vanilla. Optional lamang po ang paglalagay ng chocolate chips or pwede rin pong raisins or pasas. Ngayon po, pwede na nating ilagay sa ating baking pan. Dapat po tayo maglagay ng parchment paper upang iwas sunog yung ilalim. Na-preheat na po yung oven natin for about 10 minutes sa 350 degree Fahrenheit. So, yung baking time po niya is about 25 to 30 minutes. Ngayon po, pwede na yung ating bread pudding. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang bread pudding. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.